Morning, guys.
Four best ways to make money online in 2021. The internet provides unlimited opportunities for earning passive income and building sustainable wealth. If you want to make money online in 2021, here are the four best ways. Today, 4.3 billion people have access to the internet. However, in the next 10 years, this number is expected to increase to 7.5 billion. Are you ready to take advantage of the power of the internet and online in 2021? There has never been a better time to make money online. If you are eager to enter the world of electronic networks and want to travel the world while earning passive income, then 2021 will be the year to achieve this goal. Research shows that in 2020, making money online, remote workers will account for 50% of the total workforce. I believe that the internet is the biggest breakthrough in our lives. Start an online business and learn how to use the influence of the internet. This is why so many people today become millionaires, multimillionaires and billionaires. Here are the four best ways to make money online in 2021. 1. E-commerce sales, e.g. Amazon. The reality is that fewer people are buying from physical retail stores such as Walmart and Target. Online shopping is the future. Statistics show that online sales on Black Friday reached $7.4 billion. In the comfort of your home, you can buy almost anything online, and these products will be delivered directly to your doorstep. Amazon is the world's largest online retailer giant. One of Amazon's greatest strengths is that they are at the forefront of all technological advancements. Most importantly, they are growing on a global scale. Amazon's platform is growing by 20% every year. With the international development of Amazon, you can develop Amazon business in your area. Amazon sells books and all other items. Literally. The bigger opportunity on Amazon is to sell physical products. In short, the bottom line is to decide to sell products with high potential and high demand on Amazon. Here, you can find the supplier who manufactures the product. You put your own packaging and labels on the product, produced by an overseas manufacturer, and then shipped it to an Amazon fulfillment center in the country where you sell. In addition, you can also use Shopify. You won't get the same benefits as Amazon, but it allows you to better control your brand and products. I recommend starting to sell on Amazon, and then eventually transition to Shopify. Amazon and Shopify are just two examples of e-commerce. In fact, there are other e-commerce platforms with great potential, such as Alibaba in China, Carousell and Shopee in Singapore, which can be considered. If you are interested in online sales, please refer to How to Open Your Online Store 2. Affiliate marketing. The number one challenge every online company faces is to sell their products. This is why these companies, including Amazon, have affiliate marketing programs. Anyone can join these programs, and they are free. When you attract traffic to a blog or social media platform, and someone clicks on your link, you will earn a commission from that sale. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to create a product. Instead, as a marketer, all you have to do is promote other people's products. This is why it is one of the easiest ways to make money online. In my business, I am always looking for ways to combine and utilize two or more business models. For example, if you sell products on an e-commerce platform, then you are collecting buyers and customers. Ultimately, your goal is not just to have one-time consumers. Instead, you want someone to buy from you again and again. This is why an email list is built. One of the best ways to serve customers is through affiliate marketing. Through email lists, you can share and promote other people's products with existing customers. This will enable you to increase support. Affiliate marketing is and will continue to be one of my favorite ways to make money online. Here is more detailed information. Affiliate Marketing Teaching 3. Become an influential person, Cole Internet Celebrity. In the past few years, the trend of Cole Internet celebrities has soared. Becoming an influential person on the internet is a huge opportunity because every social media platform is free to use. Anyone can create and share content online with the world. The most valuable thing you can get on the internet is a very critical place. Cole Internet celebrities are people who build a group of people. More importantly, they have established relationships and trust with these people over a period of time. Companies that want to market their products are looking for influential people who can represent their products and share them with the audience, and they will pay for it. The great thing about influencer marketing is that it is not a saturated market because everyone will connect with someone in a different way. Therefore, no one can copy each other because they are unique and different in their own ways. For example, suppose you are in a self-development niche market. People don't necessarily follow your content. Instead, they are tracking your identity. Maybe they are related to your story. Many influencers, such as coaches, YouTubers, bloggers and podcasts, all share the same content. The message is the same. However, the way they deliver the content is different. Suggested reading. Making money on YouTube. How much money can you make? 4. Become a freelancer. For those who don't want to build an online business, I recommend becoming a freelancer. With the development of the internet, freelancers have an increasing demand for companies to hire people to help them conduct business. As a freelancer, you can work freely at home or anywhere in the world without having to bear the extra pressure of a company. In addition, if you are building an online business and need some additional income, you can use the entrepreneurial skills you are currently learning and provide help to other companies. There are many companies that have not yet transitioned to selling their products online. If you have strong online sales skills, you can contact the company and promote your sales services. People will pay huge sums of money and hire you to build their own online business. For example, if you can design a website, write a blog, or simply help with basic administrative tasks, such as answering emails, then you may need it. Please visit sites such as Fiverr to get started and see how much money you can make online. Go to the Fiverr website to see what online part-time job is right for you. Do you know how many writers like to write, but they are not good at marketing and publishing? If you know how to publish books on Amazon, this is the person for your online business. You can become a free publisher, or you can create an agency to provide services to writers. This is a great way to trade funds in advance to earn instant income while establishing an online business and creating long-term passive income at the same time. You can also refer to another well-known online platform, Freelancer.com, a platform for freelancers to find jobs online. These are the 4 best ways to make money online in 2021. Ultimately, you need to find the method that suits you best. Setting up an online business is not easy, but the effort is worth it. If you are tired of the 9-to-5 work life, you are immediately ready to create a life according to your own wishes. Please don't wait. Life is so short. Take action and immediately start creating your dream lifestyle. Subscribe my YouTube channel.